Hey guys, this is nGmCproductions, and today I will be showing you how to get iOS 5 Beta 5 for free without the need of UDID activation. What you will need is the iOS 5 Beta 5 firmware for your device, iTunes 10.5 Beta 5, Red Snow 0.9.8 Beta 5. For Windows users you will need iFunBox, and for Mac users you will need iPhone Explorer. So first thing you want to do is restore your device to the Beta 5, which you can do in iTunes. Hit the shift button on your keyboard and hit the restore button in iTunes and direct it to your beta firmware, and it should restore fine. And then afterwards you're going to open up Red Snow. Alright, so you're going to open up Red Snow. Click the browse button and click on the firmware, hit open. Wait for the firmware to process. After it has been processed, you will click the next button and wait for the progress bar. You will then see the checklist right here at the bottom of the screen. Going to check install Cydia and click the next button. Now at this point it will tell you to make sure your device is both off and plugged into the computer. You have to be ready. When you click the next button, it's going to take you to the process of entering DFU mode, so have your finger ready on the power button. Hold the power button for 3 seconds. Without releasing the power button, hold down the home button for 10 seconds. And without releasing the home button, release the power button for 15 seconds. And that's it. You will then see this picture on your device's screen, followed by scrolling white text. You will then see a picture of a running pineapple and a progress bar. Your device should then reboot normally. After your iPod reboots, you're going to either open up iFunBox if you are on a Windows computer, or you are going to open up iPhone Explorer if you are on a Mac. And you are going to go to the Systems folder, then the Library folder, then the Core Services folder, and then at the end of the list you should see system version.plist. You're going to want to drag this out of the program and then open it up in a text editing software. I'm going to use WordPad. You will then delete the bottom 2 lines of this section that says key release type key and string beta string. You're going to want to delete both of those lines and then save. After you save, you can then drag the system version.plist file back into iFunBox or iPhone Explorer. And for safety measures, if you want to double click on the file in the program and double check that the strings are in fact deleted, or else this process will not work. You are then going to go back into Red Snow and do a tethered reboot of your device. Just go through the same process we went through when initially jailbreaking the device. Then we are going to put our devices back to DFU mode. After entering DFU mode and letting the program run, you will see an image of a pineapple in place of the Apple Boot logo on your screen. Once you get back to the slide to setup screen, you can now freely go through and set up your iPod. At this point you can restore from an iCloud backup, restore from iTunes, or set up as a new iPod Touch. I'm going to restore from an iCloud backup. You would then enter your iCloud Apple ID. You can then choose your backup. And it will start restoring. If your device has been restored, it will then reboot. You will then be on iOS 5 Beta 5. It will then go ahead and restore your applications and your songs. You have Cydia and full functionality of the whole OS. Now at the moment, Cydia and Safari both crash on opening. To fix this problem, you just simply to do another tether reboot. You can go back in the video to remember how to do that in case you've forgotten. Well, thanks for watching, guys. This has been how to get iOS 5 Beta 5 without a UDID activation. Yeah, I'm glad to have helped you guys out. If you have any questions, you could either send me a private message or leave it in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching.